In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Microsoft Teams. So if you've recently changed your name or just want to update how your name appears to colleagues and friends on the platform, you're in the right place. Let's take it step by step and ensure it's as simple and straightforward as possible. First off, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Teams and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This icon usually displays your initials or profile picture, depending on what you've chosen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Among them, you should see a pencil icon next to your display name. This signifies the edit feature. Simply click on this pencil icon to proceed. Doing so will open a new window or pane, which is where you'll be able to edit your name. This window will typically have fields for your first and last name. In these fields, go ahead and enter your new name as you'd like it to appear. Whether it's a change in surname because of marriage, a preference for a nickname, or correcting a typo, it's totally up to you. Make sure you double-check your spelling before moving on to the next step. Incorrect entries can lead to confusion in professional settings, so it's always wise to confirm you've input the correct information. After entering your desired name, look for a Save button, which is usually positioned near the edit fields. Clicking Save not only updates your name within the app, it also ensures that everyone in your team's environment can see this updated information. So when working on group projects, chatting, or conducting meetings, they'll all be aware of the correct way to address you. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your name on Microsoft Teams. It's a quick process, but an important one for maintaining a professional, up-to-date digital presence. If you found this guide helpful and straightforward, please give us a like. Your support really helps, and if you're interested in more how-tos and tips like this one, consider subscribing to the channel. We regularly share content that makes navigating software and digital tools easier for everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.